Okay, this is a little exciting for me. I am gonna do my first unboxing video because I won something off YouTube. So, this is from the Greeting Tree Farm. She's really cool. She does lots of good organic stuff and vegetarian, vegan type things. And she had her giveaway for her 1,000 subscribers. Congratulations! Yeah, you go 1,000 subscribers. Ooh, awesome. And yeah, so I won this. And ooh, it's a cute box. Oh my! Look at this cute box. Funny, this stuffing's kind of crazy the way it's put in there. Ah, it's everywhere now. Help me! Ah! But yeah, like I love this. This cloth that we got in here. She sent me this cloth. It looks like. Is this like an extra special cloth? There's like a card in here too. It says "We care, eco-friendly." So it's sustainable products, which is great. But this is one of the gifts actually. I'd partly forgotten what they were. This great dish towel, I believe, is nice. Fun colors. It looks like a very good quality dish towel that I definitely will get lots of good use out of. Nice. Compact size. She also sent a little card that shows their products on it. And it says, "At Greeting Tree Farm, we strive to make quality products from sustainable sources that kindle the soul and instills joy in your home. Thank you for purchasing a handmade product." I actually didn't purchase it, obviously, but this is their standard card, so it says that. So if you buy stuff from them, you will likely get a card just like this. Lovely. Alright, awesome. So, last thing is the other official gift. Is this lovely little, a little bit of glare there, lavender vanilla candle. Soy candle is what it is. Ooh. Oh. That smells nice. I like it. Candle. So yeah, what does it say on it? It just says the Greeting Tree Farm says 40%. What's the 40%? I don't understand. I don't know what it means. Simple instructions on the bottom. 4 ounces. Yeah, I was just seeing it wrong. It says 4 ounces. There you go. Little candle that I got, and a lovely towel. Ooh, and there's a little sprig of lavender in there as well. Oh! Thank you, Greeting Tree Farm! Yay! Y'all have a wonderful day.